So magnitude comparator. What is a magnitude comparator main thing? So magnitude comparator means it is a special combinational circuit. It is a special combinational circuit designed to compare the relative magnitude of two binary numbers. A comparator is a special combinational circuit. It is mainly designed to compare the two relative magnitude of two binary numbers. That is, whether it is greater than or less than or equal to. Whether it is less than, greater than or equal to. So, మీరు పైథాన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో చూసుంటారు. Greatest of two numbers, or smallest of two numbers or three numbers are equal. సో మీరు వెంటనే ఏదో ఇన్పుట్ ఇస్తున్నారు లాంగ్వేజ్ పైథాన్లో కోడ్ రాసి అండ్ ఫైనలీ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద అవుట్పుట్. బట్ how it implemented in the system, that is magnitude comparator. A magnitude comparator అర్థమైంది కదండి. It is a compare n bit compare, n bit, not only 2 bit, either 1 bit or 2 bit or 3 bit or 4 bit. అంటే మీరు ఇచ్చే వాల్యూని బట్టి it will be compare n bit comparator. That is the main magnitude comparator. So see here, it is a combinational logic circuit. Here it is used to compare the value of two binary digits. అంటే మనం ఇచ్చే అవుట్పుట్ 5, a value 5 and b value 4 ఇస్తున్నారు. So we have to check whether it is greater than or less than. And the 5 is greater than 4. Obviously. అంటే ఇది కంపరేటర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది సిస్టంలో ఆటోమేటికల్లీ the system will convert to zeros and ones. So it will be convert by using zeros and ones. So zeros and ones for compare chase, it will produce some output. That output will be converted to decimal and it will get to the user. So that is the system will do that magnitude comparator. అంటే మీరు 4, 5 ఇస్తున్నారు biggest of two numbers and automatically 5 is the biggest. And 4 or 7 ఇస్తున్నారు automatically which one is the smallest value అంటే మీరు లాజిక్ రాస్తున్నారు. The system will say 4 is the smallest number. And 10, 10 ఇస్తున్నారు. The system will say the two numbers are equal. How it will be performed in that situation in system is it is using the magnitude comparator. Whether it identify less than or greater than or equal to. That is nothing but identifying the magnitude comparator. So this comparator has three outputs terminals. Sorry, three output terminals. One is greater than, one is equal to, another one is less than. Is it clear? That is the purpose of magnitude comparator. Why we will study the magnitude comparator? Yes. Okay. Then then this is the block diagram of magnitude comparator. So it is not only restricted 1 bit or 2 bit or 3 bit. It is an n bit digital comparator. You have to pass here a with n bit, either 3 bits or 4 bits or 2 bits or 1 bit. Here b. Here also n bit comparator, n bit values. So it will be perform the n bit digital comparator. Finally the output will be either less than or equal to or greater than. Any one of only one output will be produced, not all three outputs. Either it will be performed less than or greater than or equal to. That is the block diagram of magnitude comparator. So first we have to discuss 1 bit magnitude comparator. 1 bit magnitude comparator. సో దీనికి డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేయాలి. డ్రా చేయాలి అంటే 1 bit magnitude comparator, we have to implement a value is 1 bit, b value is n bit, 1 bit, and it will be perform the 1 bit digital comparator. Here a is less than b, a equal to b, a is greater than b. Three operations base చేసుకొని we have to draw the k maps. The truth table of 1 bit comparator చూడండి, a value a and b. So madam ఇక్కడ a 1 bit comparator కదా, ఎందుకు we will go to the 4 combinations here. So see, A value 1, B value 1, that is 1 bit comparator. Finally, how many n bit comparators will require n bit? That is 2 bit. A1, B1. So finally it will be 2 bit. So finally it will be derived how many combinations? 4 combinations. Is it clear? So A value 1, B value 1. Both కలిపితే ఎంత అండి? 2. So it will require how many combinations? 4 combinations. అదే 2 bit magnitude comparator తీసుకోండి. A value 2 and B value 2 bits. A value 2 bits and B value 2 bits. How many bit comparator, how many combinations it will require? So 2 plus 2, 4. So n bit comparator and a 4 bit comparator. Sorry, 4 bit digital comparator. And a 4 bit digital comparator and it will require how many combinations? 16 combinations. So for 1 bit comparator means we have to take the A value 1 bit and B value 1 bit. So there is n bit digital comparator, n bit digital comparator, and A1, B1. So totally 2 bits. So 2 bit digital comparator, how many combinations it will require? 4 combinations. అదే 2 bit magnitude comparator తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి. A value 2 bit, B value 2 bit. How many n bit digital comparator? 4 bit digital comparator. And 2 bit digital comparator, we have to require how many combinations? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16 combinations for 2 bit comparator. Other whereas you have to take 4 bit comparator. A value 4, B value 4. It will require how many combinations? 4 plus 4, 8. And 2 power 8. It will require 32 bit combinations. So first we have to discuss 1 bit comparator. So we have to secure A1, B1 and both values are 2. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And here y1, y2, y3, that is A is less than B, A equal to B, and A is greater than B. So here 0, 0. 0 is less than 0. Condition is false. Why? Because 0 is not less than 0. And less than or equal to the condition is true. If the condition is true means we have to place 1 here. The condition is false means we have to place 0 here. So 0 is less than 1. Condition is true. And 1 is less than 0. Condition is false. 0. 1 is less than 0. Condition is false. 0. And next one. A equal to B. 0 is equal to 0. Condition is true. So 1. A equal to B. 0 is equal to 1. Condition is false. 0. 1 is equal to 0. Condition is false. 0. 1 is equal to 1. Condition is true. We have to place 1. And next one. A is greater than B. So 0 is greater than 0. Condition is false. We have to place simply 0. And 0 is greater than 1. Condition is false. We have to place 0. And 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true. We have to place 1 here. And 1 is greater than 0, 1. Condition is false. We have to place here 0. This is a truth table for 1 bit comparator. Truth table for 1 bit comparator. So what the values, output values we are getting? For this, we have to construct the logic, K-maps. So K-map. So ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడండి వాల్యూ y1 లో ఎక్కడ వాల్యూ ఓన్లీ 1 ఉంది? It will be at 1 only. At 1 only. How many K variable require here? 2 variable K-map. ఎందుకంటే we have to take the 2 possible combinations. So that's why we have to take 2 bit combination. That is 2 variable K-map. So why we have to place 1 only here? So in previous, so y1 లో ఎక్కడ మీకు 1 ఉంది? Only at 1. So that's why we have to place at 1 only we have to place 1. there is no pair and there is no quad. So simply just write the term A bar B. So Y1 is equal to A bar B. For that, A is less than B. And see here Y2. Y2 A places లో 1 ఉందండి. One is 0, another one is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 and 3. So this is the 0, this is the 3. There is no mapping. So individual terms you have to write, that is A bar B bar, here AB. A bar B bar AB. దీన్ని ఎలా అనొచ్చు, ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఆర్ కూడా అనొచ్చు కదండి. ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ నార్ AB plus A bar B bar. For Y2, that is A is equal to B. Next say A is greater than B. Y2, that is A is greater than B. So only at which position the value 1 will place? Only 2. Only 2. At second position we have to place 1 only. There is no mapping. So we have to write A B bar. So from this Boolean expression we have to take and we will construct the logic circuit diagram. We will construct the logic circuit diagram for 1-bit comparator. We have to take only 2 inputs. One is A and one is B. So Y1 రావాలి అంటే we have to construct the logic circuit diagram, that is AB bar and AB bar. So Y1 అంటే is nothing but A is less than B. And Y2. Y2 is nothing but finally we have to A bar B bar. So A bar B bar and AB value, and finally these two values are connected to one OR gate, that is A is equal to B, and the next one is Y3, that is AB bar. So here we have to pass the values. So A value is nothing but 2 and 1-bit comparator kabatti A value 1, B value 0. A value 1, B value 0. So 1 is less than 0. Condition is true or false. 1 is less than 0. Condition is false. So here we have to substitute the values A and B. Here 1 value is 0 and B value is, sorry, A value is 1 and B value is 0. So A value 1 and B value 0 pass చేయండి values. ఏదో ఒకటి మాత్రమే మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. So remaining all are, it will be placed as zeros. So once you have to practice this, in next class I will continue this topic only, that is magnitude comparator. So we will see 1-bit magnitude comparator, and later only we have to compute 2-bit comparator, whether it is the values are already I told you now. This requires how many combinations? 2 power 4, that is 16 combinations. For 16 combinations we have to draw the K-map, and from that K-map we will get the Boolean expression. Further Boolean expression we will discuss how to construct